Hello everyone, I hope you're well. My name is Advocate Rioba. In this video, we're going to discuss DNA testing. What is DNA testing? DNA testing is where your genetic material is scientifically tested to ascertain the biological relationship between you and another person. Now, where is DNA testing related with the legal processes in Kenya? So you might be DNA tested in a child maintenance case, in a paternity case, in a maternity case. What do I mean? In a paternity case, you would want to ascertain who the father of the child is. In a maternity case, you want to ascertain who is the mother of the child. You might even want to ascertain when there is a crime that has been committed and scientifically they want to prove to rule you that you are in the crime scene or not. DNA testing might be ordered by the court. So, let's say you're doing a child maintenance case and somebody comes and says, no, I am not the biological mother or I'm not the biological father of this child. So, what happens? When you approach court, you will tell court, okay, I am telling you I'm not the father of this child, or I'm not the mother of this child. I am not supposed to take care of a child who is not mine. So the person who wants to prove that you are the father might pray to the court that let us do a DNA test, or you yourself, as the person who's saying I am not the father or mother, you will say, okay, let's do a test. In other instances, the court itself will say, no, let's go forward, let's do a test, and it will give a court order that you have to do the test so that it ascertains truly who is the biological parent to the child. So this goes to the best interest of the child so that the child can get their rightful rights when they have parents. So the court will order where the DNA testing will occur, who will conduct the DNA testing, when the DNA testing will occur, and the procedure of the handling of the results. So the results can be sealed and brought directly to court, and an expert is going to testify in court and tell the court what the findings are in the report. So let's say you have been ordered to do a DNA testing and you refuse to do a DNA testing. When you refuse to do a DNA testing and it has been ordered by the court, you will land yourself in jail. Why? Court orders must be respected. So if you're told to do a DNA testing, I will advise go and do it. Because if it's a court order, if it's not followed, you are told that you are in contempt of a court order. You have refused to follow a court order. So now we know it is very important when a child is involved or a crime has happened, a DNA testing can be done. So you can go to court and apply for the same. I hope this is insightful and you have understood how DNA testing comes in that particular manner. Until next time, my friends, stay safe and God bless.